Welcome to today's video on number theory, one of the oldest and most fascinating branches of mathematics. Number theory is the study of integers and the relationships between them. At its core, it asks simple questions, but the answers can be extraordinarily deep. The building blocks of number theory are prime numbers, integers greater than 1 that can only be divided by 1 and themselves. Numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. The fundamental theorem of arithmetic tells us that every integer greater than 1 can be expressed as a unique product of primes. This makes primes the atoms of mathematics. One of the most famous results is Euclid's proof that there are infinitely many primes, a proof over 2,000 years old and still elegant today. From there, we enter divisibility and modular arithmetic, the math of remainders. When we say 17 mod 5 equals 2, we mean 17 leaves a remainder of 2 when divided by 5. This concept powers modern cryptography, including the encryption protecting your online data right now. RSA encryption, used across the internet, relies entirely on the difficulty of factoring enormous numbers into their prime components. Number theory isn't just abstract, it secures the digital world. Goldbach's conjecture states every even number greater than 2 is the sum of two primes, simple to state, unproven since 1742. The Riemann hypothesis, proposed in 1859, connects prime distribution to complex analysis and remains one of mathematics' greatest open questions, with a $1 million prize awaiting its solution. Number theory also includes Diophantine equations, equations seeking integer solutions, and perfect numbers, like 6 and 28, which equal the sum of their proper divisors. Modern number theory blends with algebra, geometry, and analysis, forming fields like algebraic number theory and analytic number theory, tools that helped prove Fermat's last theorem in 1995 after 358 years unsolved. Number theory reminds us that the simplest questions can lead to the deepest discoveries. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.